Today I'm going to solve the Hunter puzzle by Yoh Kakuda of the 2024 Karakuri Christmas puzzle series. The cat looks very smart and it's leaning towards the left at an angle. Checking out the box that the cat is standing on, shaking it, and not a lot of noise inside, so not sure the mechanism. As always, the Karakuri boxes, the seams are not that visible. The first step should be moving the back plate downwards. The cat head perpendicular to the desk. Now the top plate can be moved towards me. If there's a drawer, I believe I have to unlock it like this. Yes! And yay! Open! And Yoh Kakuda stamp at the bottom of the drawer.